Hello and welcome to World Coins Explorer. In today's video, we are going to talk about one of the most modern and secure coins in the world, the 2017 £1 coin from the United Kingdom. This coin is not only a piece of money, but also a symbol of growth, security, and innovation for the British people. The 2017 £1 coin replaced the older round version that had been in use for more than 3 decades. Because of its unique design and advanced features, it is often called the most secure coin in the world. In this video, we will explore its history, design, specifications, and collectible value, giving you a complete overview of this modern British coin. The story of the 2017 £1 coin begins with the problem of counterfeiting. By the early 2010s, it was estimated that nearly 1 in 30 old £1 coins in circulation was fake, which was a major concern for the UK economy. To solve this issue, the Royal Mint introduced an entirely new £1 coin in 2017, replacing the old round coin that had been first issued in 1983. The new design was not only visually different, but also contained high-tech security features. Its launch marked an important moment in British currency history, as it became the first 12-sided coin used for everyday circulation in the UK. This change symbolized protection, modernization, and the growth of trust in the nation's money. On the obverse side of the 2017 £1 coin, you will see the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Jody Clark. This is the 5th official portrait of the Queen used on British coinage, and it shows her wearing the King George IV state diadem, which is a crown often worn for official state occasions. Around the portrait are the inscriptions Elizabeth II DG Reg, FD, which stands for Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith. The year of issue, 2017, is also included. This portrait emphasizes continuity and tradition, linking the new and innovative coin with the long royal heritage of the United Kingdom. The reverse of the coin carries a very modern and symbolic design. It features a crown above a floral emblem that combines 4 plants, each representing a part of the United Kingdom. The English rose, the Welsh leek, the Scottish thistle, and the Northern Irish shamrock are joined together within the shape of the UK's national flower symbols, all emerging from a single stem. This design symbolizes unity, growth, and strength among the 4 nations of the UK. The denomination £1 is clearly shown, and the overall design highlights both tradition and modernity, reflecting the spirit of the British people. The 2017 £1 coin is truly unique in terms of its specifications. It is a 12-sided bimetallic coin, meaning it has 2 different metals. The outer ring is made of nickel brass, giving it a golden color, while the inner part is nickel-plated alloy, giving it a silver tone. It weighs 8.75 grams and has a diameter of 23.43 millimeters. The edge is alternating smooth and milled with the inscription £1 repeated. Another advanced feature is the hidden high-security image inside the coin, visible only under certain light conditions. These technical details make it extremely difficult to counterfeit, making it one of the most advanced coins in circulation anywhere in the world. What makes the 2017 £1 coin so important is its security. It includes a latent image, similar to a hologram, which changes between a pound symbol and the number 1 when tilted. It also uses micro-lettering around the coin and has a unique high-tech feature called ISIS, Integrated Secure Identification System, embedded into the metal. These details are invisible to the naked eye but allow machines to instantly verify if the coin is genuine. This combination of technology and design has made the coin nearly impossible to fake, restoring public confidence in the £1 denomination after years of counterfeiting issues. Although the 2017 £1 coin is still in circulation today and usually worth its face value of £1, some early issues and rare minting errors have become collectible. For example, error coins where the obverse and reverse were incorrectly struck, or where parts of the design are missing, can sell for much higher prices on auction sites. Collectors are especially interested in uncirculated coins, proof sets, and coins with misaligned inscriptions. While most coins are common, the coin's importance as the first year of the new design makes it a must-have for collectors who value modern coin history. In conclusion, the 2017 £1 coin from the United Kingdom is a coin that perfectly represents growth, unity, and security for the British people. Its innovative 12-sided shape, advanced security features, and beautiful design make it stand out as one of the most important modern coins in the world. While it is still used in everyday transactions, it has already earned its place in history as the coin that solved one of the UK's biggest counterfeiting problems. Whether you are a coin collector or just someone interested in history, this coin is a fascinating piece to study and own. Thank you for watching World Coins Explorer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing coin stories from around the world.